Hey, this is day 10 of 100 days, 100 business ideas. Just stick with us for 2 minutes. Maybe one of these can actually change your life. You must watch this if you're in your teens or early 20s. Let's go ultra practical. You don't need a website or an app. You just need to be helpful. Start a micro-local errand service. You're not Uber, you're not Amazon. You're just the person who says, hey, I can go grab that for you, I'll deliver it fast. Think grocery runs for elderly neighbors, pickup from dry cleaners, small item returns, emergency coffee drop-off to someone stuck at work. You post in local Facebook groups or neighborhood boards, running local errands around your area, fast, cheap, friendly. DM for help. Charge $5 to $15 depending on distance and time. Bundle 3 tasks into one trip? That's $30 an hour without breaking a sweat. This works especially well if you're in a small town or campus area where people want help but don't want to deal with apps. And if you want to level it up, create a Google form with task options. Drop the link in every local forum or WhatsApp group you're in. Fast cash, zero competition, all trust. You're not just doing errands, you're selling peace of mind.